Hello and welcome to Money Control. Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market. From significant investments to major deals, appointment, and acquisition, here's a quick look at which stocks will be in focus in today's trade. First up, Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel and the Tata Group are in bilateral discussions to explore a potential transaction to combine Tata Group's direct-to-home DTH business housed under Tata Play with Bharti Telemedia, a subsidiary of Bharti Airtel, in a structure acceptable to all the parties. Second stock which is going to be in focus is KPI Green Energy. The company has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Renewable Energy Department, Government of Madhya Pradesh for setting up various solar wind, hybrid, BESS and biomass-based projects in Madhya Pradesh. Third stock which is going to be in focus is Tata Power Company. The company has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Assam government to tie up and support up to 5,000 megawatt of renewable and clean energy projects comprising solar, wind, hydro and energy storage with an investment of 30,000 crore over the next 5 years. Fourth stock which is going to be in focus is Adani Green Energy. The company's subsidiary Adani Saur Urja has received a letter of award from Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation for the procurement of 1250 megawatt energy storage capacity from the pumped hydro storage projects. The capacity is secured through the e-reverse auction conducted by UPPCL. The annual fixed cost payable under the LOA is Rs 76,53,226 per megawatt per annum for 40 years from COD. Fifth stock which is going to be in focus is Coforge. The board will be meeting on 4th of March to consider an alteration in the share capital of the company by subdividing or splitting the existing equity shares. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.